the country, Ghana, and other West African nations are also drenched in hard drugs, including cannabis, opioids, and also cocaine, as well as tramadol and alcohol. That's according to regional grouping ECOWAS. More than half of all those using those drugs are found to be the youth, mostly students. And now 22% of those who consume the drugs are unemployed. That's more for you. And of course, what you see on the screens now is the number of drug users across the continent, and also the projections that we have looking at, for instance, North America, Latin America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Oceania as well there. And you see the trend of where we are placed in terms of the illicit use of drugs as well. And of course, Programs Officer at the division. First, of course, we'll be giving you a breakdown as you see it here. West Africa accounting for more than half, 56% of drug users. And there's also more being revealed in this very documentary report that has been released. The Director General of the Narcotics Control Commission, Kenneth Edu Amanfo, is also calling for a concerted approach from ECOWAS member states to tackle the problem.
It is incumbent upon us all to utilize this knowledge to enhance our preventive measures, strengthen law enforcement, and implement targeted interventions to address the root causes of drug-related issues. Ghana appreciates and understands the enormous national security challenges posed by illicit drug trafficking on its nationals and that of member states. Ghana will therefore continue to work closely with other member states in protecting our borders, citizens, and more importantly, our youth, who are our human capital. I would like to take this opportunity to urge everyone in West Africa, and by extension the African continent, to take the issue of illicit drug abuse and its related vices very seriously. As partners in addressing the global drug addiction problem, this occasion will also serve to encourage member states to routinely report on their country's drug situation as required by the ECOWAS Regional Drug Action Plan. As the report seeks to highlight the most recent estimates and trends in drug abuse and drug supply, as well as trafficking in substandard, spurious, falsified, and counterfeit medical products in West Africa, I will urge member states to put policies in place to build, strengthen, and redefine the operations of all national drug law enforcement agencies to carry out their mandate effectively and impartially. I would like to reiterate that Ghana, through the Narcotics Control Commission, is committed to all relevant conventions and regulations aimed at combating the illicit drug use and trafficking. It is important that member states reaffirm their continuous collaboration with all existing key stakeholders, both within and outside the sub-region, aimed at tackling the illicit drug abuse trend, which is grossly affecting the youth across. Today's launch marks not only the dissemination of information, but also a call to action. As we delve into the findings of the report, let us collectively pledge to foster regional cooperation, share best practices, and implement evidence-based policies to create a safer and healthier West Africa.